Hey y'all, it's Kai. Don't mind my hair. It's a little oily. So, I told you guys I would show you how I pack cups for orders. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you how I clean my cups, wrap my cups, pack my cups. I don't have a pickup order ready. It's still carrying. I'm going to move you over here. Hopefully the glare's not bad. Don't mind the jingle bells. And we will go ahead and start. So I have a couple cups. Again, I got epoxy on my rims. So I take a brand new razor blade or just a good one, hold it at a flat. It's perpendicular to the edge. Now I'm not going down to get into that and expose any paint or glitter. It's 100%. Well, I just drop all the stuff on the floor because I sweep. I definitely need to sweep because I dropped a bottle of glitter last night. Okay, so I got what looks to be all the epoxy off. We'll find out if once it comes to doing the acetone. Make sure you hold down so you're not turning and slicing into your finger. Done it a few times. Now if you use Vaseline on the inside, this will actually just like, if you break the seal around the rim, it honestly just pulls right out. I did it to some of them, but not all of them, so I don't remember like what ones have it unless I touch it and it's slimy. So I just take a paper towel, hold it up. If you would like to wear gloves, you probably should. I'm not, because honestly my gloves are nitrile and the acetone will just eat through them. The Irish certainly believe they can stop them, but they know what they're up against.
Bama's offense has been a great challenge for every single team.
So like get the lid off.
Came across to have a not a too difficult of a scheme, but they
there we go.
Do have a lot of eye.
It's like a pinch and squeeze, and if it doesn't go on perfectly level, it's a pain in the butt. So just hold it up.
Most of his catches are big plays against guys that fight on second moves, that fight on double moves.
You can't stop everything, but you have to minimize the big play. Make them execute over a longer period of time.
And I made sure there's nothing in there. If there's something in there, I will use my pliers to reach down and get it. Because we are not giving them a dirty cup, you guys. That's embarrassing and unprofessional. Now, if you have a spot that looks like you cannot get the spray paint out, take your little sandpaper or scuff pad, scuff it up, and then you do it. So I'm gonna put my care card in it, which also has my business card. I always do some sort of freebie, and these are military Navy Chiefs, so I actually designed my own decal. So their little freebie is a Chief decal that I made. And then of course decal instructions. And let me double check. Robinson is a duo. So it's cool because this is the Hog New Skinny Duo. So I usually just throw my lids in a box. The thing is this comes with 2 lids and a straw. So I just took the door hanger bag, popped it all in, tied a knot, so then I can just grab my 20 ounce and I know it will fit. I'm going to set this aside, do the same thing with that other cup. Clean it. And if you hear football in the back, I'm really sorry. My husband's watching football outside with us.
They can match up one of the most explosive offenses in all of college football in Alabama. I tell you what, now watch these guys against North Carolina. North Carolina's a team with a really good quarterback, great wide out, strong.
I check my rim all over and make sure there is nothing inside. So again, my care card business card, their freebie decal that I made for them, the instructions for that, and then this is a 20 plus. So 20 plus. And then I just double checked that they didn't have like a little love message or a love note for them. Because I do offer that. And if so, the tag that goes on the outside, I just handwrite it. So if I have an order with multiple cups, because I wrap the cups, I put the names on that. And then on the back is where I'll write the message. Okay, so I have a regular, let me move you a little bit. I have a regular sheet of tissue paper. Now, I used to wrap, bolt it, and completely enclose it. But I had a lot of people be like, oh my god, it's wrapped so cute, but I had to unwrap it because I want to see it in person. And I felt bad because then it wasn't wrapped. Whether it's for them or not, I always gift wrap. And some people, and I always just like, well, it's nothing really special. It's literally tissue paper and ribbon. I have gotten so many compliments and so many people saying, oh my gosh, it comes like this without having to pay extra. It's really, they said it's just a nice personal touch. So I just fold the corner. And I am not perfect at this, you guys. And I just set it kind of in the middle, but with the lid on the edge of the paper. I saw this in another video where they make a pocket or like a pouch. So then we're literally pleating. And I am still learning this pleating to make it look nicer. And then I kind of fold it to make like a little arrow, a little tab. Sometimes I put my business stickers. I ran out, so this is just a generic one from Amazon, and I pop it right there. I have a bunch of this colored wrap. I don't know what it's called, the ribbon. It's like paper. And usually depending on what it is, I kind of match it. So if it's Christmas, I do red and green. For the Navy, for the Chiefs, I always do black and tan. Father's Day is usually blue and black. So Halloween's orange and black. Yeah, dude. You got owie? You're wet? It's okay, it'll dry.
So wherever you go,
Have Daddy. Go to Daddy, he's inside. So I just put the cup, baby, go inside and have Daddy help you. So the thing is even though it's a duo, it still gets a straw. So I take my straw, I slide it under. And this is really helpful so that if someone has multiple cups in their different sizes, they know what straw goes with it. So if someone who bought this as a gift, they can still slide it out, look at it, and slide it back in, which is really nice. And it's still wrapped. So then somehow I'll put these in the box. Let me go ahead and wrap the other cup real fast.
Been talking about this for a while. Des, who you got? Who's going to win, Bama or Notre Dame? I do think Notre Dame will keep it closer to 3/4. I got Alabama. I got Alabama too. Too much offense. But that Notre Dame offensive line, they're all thinking they're sticking. They can put people on skates, run the football. Defense, please. Yeah, both offensive lines dealing with uncertainty at center. Kickoff coming in under 12 and a half minutes.
Miranda, dump it out. You broke the rules.
Nationwide 5G?
Yep.
And that's faster?
Faster.
Yep.
But is it reliable?
And secure.
Wow.
Okay.
Making a big deal about it.
I thought I was already making
Plug
a pretty
in,
big.
slip the straw in, and just tie a pretty bow.
It's not complicated.
Now again, if they have a name tag or like a love note, thank you note, congratulations, I actually tie it on the cup so it won't get lost in the box. So then, boxes I use are from the USPS. That way they're free. So it's priority shipping. I only ship priority or first class mail because it all comes with free insurance up to $50, and then you can pay for more. So this is regional A. And before I used to get boxes at Walmart, but sometimes it's cheaper to ship in the regional A boxes. Regional B is a little more expensive, but that's supposed to be for a farther area. But I just use those when they're bigger cups because a 35 ounce will not fit in a regional A box unless you alter the shape, which I have done, and it worked. I just do one across the bottom, and I'll show you why. I get padded flat rate envelopes. Again, you guys, these are free supplies. So why pay for supplies if you don't have to? You order online, you pay nothing, you don't even pay shipping. The hardest part is waiting for them to deliver. So what I do is I fold it in half and I overlap. So there's one. Yeah, Miranda. No. Because you just broke the rules for the water and the rocks, right? So now you have to wait before you get a reward. Okay, thank you. So I use that. I just pop my cup in there. That's old. I will pop the extra lid in there. And then you can add filler bubble wrap around. If it's really loose, I will, which right now it is. So when I order cups or any packages from Amazon and they come with the bubbles, I take one. I usually only need 2 per package if I use them. If not, I honestly will use the bubble wrap that comes around each cup. So then I will leave it like this and just pop it in here until I'm ready to close all my boxes. Can you check on your brother, please? And yes, there is a reason I am only placing 1 piece of tape across the bottom. I will show you in a side. So again, half, pop in. And this one goes with this. So let me go ahead and grab my little other special tape and my water bottle, and we will go ahead and seal them.
The biggest in the 7-year history of the CFP. Understandably so. They've won 5 national titles since 2009. Notre Dame has struggled on the big stages for the past couple of decades, including the last time we saw these 2 teams head-to-head. 2013
go to Daddy.
national championship game. Alabama dominated.
So this is my special tape that is customized with my logo and says thank you for your order. I got it from Sticker Mule. And it was really easy to do, really fast to do, and it came really fast. So I just fold those down, and when it's open you can see it's pretty snug in there. Fold my side. And then I kind of pre-measure and cut. I measure the top half. No, get down. And then I have, if I have to do a decal wet method, it's a little bottle of water with like 2 drops of Dawn dish soap. Really good thing is it's also really good for activating the adhesive on my tape. So I just spray the whole thing a couple times. And I started in the middle of the top because then I use my packing label to hold it on there. Of course I'm doing it on my tissue paper, so my tissue paper is sticking to it. And if it feels like it's not sticky enough or it's too tacky, spray a little water.
Hey, what's it about, Mama?
And then I have the Dymo thermal printer, and I found out I could design my own labels on it. So my thank you for helping my business, like it, love it, share it. I stuck that on there. And I also made my own thank you for all that you do. Small business appreciates you for my little postman.
Mama, why you got
Miranda, I need you to wait, okay? Thank you. So I go ahead and put those on now. I am leaving this half for my actual shipping label. So I will weigh it and print it and put it on there after. And that's it that I have to do with that one. I'm showing everybody how I pack my boxes real fast. Because everyone does it different, and some people like to see. Yeah, we all learn from each other.
I want to buy one.
Well, they did. So many people watched that video of you making the chaser cup, Mama. A lot. Like over 5,000 people.
What kind of?
The one that you would shake and all the glitter would move? Yeah. Okay. Give it my bot. Press it. Stick into my tissue paper again. And I just roll my bot. Cool frog. So we're done. I pop these stickers on the outside, and then I just stick this on top and make a stack. And that's how I pack my boxes. It's pretty similar for pickup orders. I still wrap the cup the exact same way. I just put it in a gift bag. I still put I don't put a bow on the actual cup. I put a bow on the handle of the bag. And then I just put a little sticker, I can show you that real fast, that I made. This just goes on the handle with the pickup person's name, and we schedule a pickup time, and I pop it on my porch. That way, no contact. And I kind of like, okay, if you give me like a 2-hour frame, I'll pop it on my porch. I've never had any